today's another big day. We're headed over to the Hawk's house to go do some more welding, and I think Ethan and I are going to try to make sure we can fix the spots in the floor. But for sure, the main thing that we want to get done today is getting the hitch on the back and possibly getting all the running lights fitted, because that's something that we can finish up doing. So hopefully we get a ton done today. It's a Saturday. It's beautiful right now. It's 55 degrees. Highest it's going to get is 73. So yeah, should be a good day working on the bus. Of course it sounds like that. Took the front seat out, and because I knew the bottom of it was soft, and that's what the floorboard looks like. You can see the ground. So we're gonna OSPO this and then paint it, and then put some sheet metal over top, and then I won't have to worry about my foot falling through the floor or pushing the gas pedal down so much and going through the floorboard, because it quite literally is. But back to the bus, Andrew and Ethan have been helping me out. They're doing some welding on the frame so we can actually get some of the floor up and then put new flooring down. I have my mouth open. Ugh. Gross. There's nothing poisonous in this one there. Nice. Sometimes I impress myself. Super productive day. I don't know how much footage I was able to get. My batteries kept dying, but we ripped up one of the floorboards, and game plan now is to actually rip up the rest of them so we can do the welding that needs to be done underneath of it. So I gotta run the Lowe's and get some more, but all the LEDs on the outside of the bus as far as marker lights are all taken care of, which is super awesome. Only thing that's not are the 5 marker lights on the front, and I'm not 100% sure if I'm doing that or not. But the floorboard underneath my feet is all done, which is awesome. So that's not super spongy anymore. So there's tons more to do, but it's good to get a handful of things knocked out. So time to go home, go to bed. Got to get up and go to church early tomorrow morning because I'm leading worship. So, and Ethan's playing drums with me, which is even awesomer. So head home, go to bed, get up, go to church, then start working on the bus a little bit more. We'll see you there.